Hey Foxies, my name is Simon Fox. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday, and if you're returning, welcome back. Like always, this is never about subscribers nor about money, but about love and light. So with that being said, we're going to be getting into this conspiracy palette. I've been playing with the conspiracy palette a lot lately. I have so many tutorials out. I was going to say reviews. I have a review out as well. I have a review out for every single palette I have, and I have tutorials on multiple looks that I've done with the same palettes. So that just goes to show you that you can use one palette and create tons and tons of looks. So yeah, if y'all want to see how I created this look, then keep watching. So I don't know how many times or how many looks I've done using this palette, but I honestly am obsessed every single time I use this palette. I feel like the colors are so freaking dope. They're so cute. Right now I'm using the shade Not a Fact. And I feel like this palette is so unique, and the colors are actually a lot brighter on the eye. Like, they are gorgeous and they blend so beautifully. But I also have a little something to talk about, just because I've just been having it on my mind, and I've talked about it on TikTok. I've even added him on TikTok, added him on Twitter. I'm talking about Shane Dawson, you guys. I added him, and I was talking about how I was hoping to see more looks from him, considering that this palette came out and it was such a big launch, and there was YouTube video behind it, and you know, I was really hoping to see more like love and passion put into his work, more looks put out by now. I don't know, that's just my opinion. Yeah, I just wanted to talk about that real quick because, like I said, I added him, got no response. But yeah, that's just my opinion. For me, it just makes it look like it was done for money, but like I said, that's just my opinion. Y'all are entitled to y'all's own opinion. Do your own research and feel how you feel about it. So here I'm using the shade Cheese Dust. I honestly still love this palette so much, you guys. Like, I still have no complaints about this palette. Well, except that it doesn't have a white, but like, that's not really a complaint. Like I said, I really love this palette. I use it so much, and I still feel like Shane's a good person. Like, I don't want to spread like any hate. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying, like, I wish by now, like, I would have seen more looks. Like, that's just, like I said, that's my opinion. Still love you. Still love Jeffrey. Still love this palette. Like I said, this palette is still amazing. And I watched the whole YouTube documentary or YouTube videos. I watched it all. I supported it completely. I was up at like 4 o'clock in the morning. I literally stayed up the whole night before, actually, and ended up going early to get this palette. And yeah, like I said, I'm just kind of, I don't know, disappointed. I don't know. That's just my opinion, like I said. But like I said, still love them. Still love this palette. I don't want to spread any hate, but yeah. So using the shade Food Videos, and just going to be blending that out even further. I honestly ended up loving this look so much. Like I said, every single time I play with this palette, it's so freaking dope. Like, the look always comes out so nice. The colors are so blended. I love using like, for more natural looks, I love using like Tanacon and Diet Root Beer. And there's just so many like looks you can come out with, because you can go from like an extreme look to a more natural look with really, really blendable browns and really, really cute glitter shades. So just something to think about. So here I'm just blending out those edges. I go back in with the colors, by the way, and I just reapply them where I want it and reblend them. But honestly, like I said, these blend like a dream. Like, they're so gorgeous. Even if you don't know how to do makeup, I feel like these blend so well that like you'll get away with it. Honestly. And honestly, you could have stopped there, but I didn't. Obviously, I'm extra. I used the shade Trisha, and I used that right on top of Not a Fact, right there near the inner portion of my eye. And I feel like this just made the whole look pop and just look a little bit more glam. I don't know, I ended up being so obsessed with this look. Like I said, like, it gets better, trust me, it gets better. By the way, if y'all haven't, I would really appreciate it if y'all liked this video and y'all subscribed to me. I never say it in the middle of my videos, but I'm gonna try to start kind of putting it in because sometimes people forget, you know what I mean? Like, I don't think that people tend to not subscribe. Like, I don't think that's their purpose. Obviously they're watching my video for a reason, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm just adding that in here. Make sure to subscribe and like this video, and if you want, leave a comment. I would really appreciate it. So here I'm using the Jeffree Star lipstick in the shade Drug Lord, and I'm just kind of using that like a liner. I used it more in a stamping motion, and then towards the end I kind of started to wing it out. It does get dry really fast because it is a matte lipstick, so just keep that in mind if you do use this. If you have white liner, use your white liner, but this matte lipstick, honestly, it stays on all day, so kudos to that. That's pretty dope. Here I'm just going to be using the shade, the same yellow shade, I believe it's Food Videos, and just going to be stamping that onto the beginning of the eyeliner. Yeah, it's Food Videos. Then I'm going to be taking the shade Cheeto Dust, and then I'm going to be blending that out as well. Blending it in towards the Food Videos, and then blending it out towards that wider portion of the liner. And then I'm also going to be applying that same shade, Not a Fact, but I would kind of suggest to use maybe a little bit of Not a Fact, but more of pigment, just because it is such a dark shade that it could mess up the look at the end, because it's not really liner, you know what I mean? You're kind of just stamping it onto the liner, so just keep that in mind. You could just clean it up with a Q-tip. I hope that helps. So here I'm just using that shade, that burgundy shade, Not a Fact. I'm just going to be using that for some under eyeshadow. And then I go in with the shade Cheeto Dust, and then Food Videos. So the same shades that I used on top, I use them on the bottom. And I feel like this can complete the whole look. I feel like under eyeshadow always completes the whole look, so if you feel like your under eye feels naked, definitely try doing under eyeshadow, and it will complete the whole look and make it look whole, because I feel like that always makes me feel really naked under. So here I'm just adding like pink beads. I honestly had these from like EDC last year, I believe, and I've been using them for my makeup looks since, and I need to buy more. I bought them on Amazon, so get them on Amazon. They come in packs. It's so dope. They come in different colors, by the way. So people that love doing makeup, definitely keep that in mind. And also ravers, of course, ravers. Here I'm taking the Milk mascara, and I honestly love it by itself, but I ended up applying lashes. So here I'm just taking the Pretty V Cosmetic lashes. Alright Foxies, so this is the finished look on this conspiracy palette tutorial. I hope that y'all love it as much as I do. I think that it turned out sickening. I think I look gorgeous. I feel beautiful, and I know that y'all will look just as gorgeous at home if y'all recreate this. So if y'all do recreate it, please make sure to tag me, DM me. I would love to see it and repost it on my Instagram. And until next time, you guys, I hope that y'all love the tutorials that I've been putting out lately. I hope that y'all show them all so much love, because I do put so much love and passion into every single one of my looks. And yeah, I hope that I get to see more recreations soon. So with that being said, I'm going to see y'all next time when I upload. So yeah, I'll see y'all Wednesday or Saturday. Alright, bye Foxies.